Hi everyone, this is Herman Bosch, your ambassador with Emma Beauty, and today we're going to talk about Intensive Rejuvenating Cuticle Balm. This is the answer to dry, chapped cuticles and hangnails. It has a non-greasy formula and contains vitamins A, D, E, and B complex to heal, restore, and keep your cuticles hydrated. It instantly smooths and works overnight to prevent cuticles from drying out and keeps hangnails in check so no more clipping is needed. Say goodbye to those nippers. It also helps to strengthen the nail plate and reduces splitting and discoloration. And best of all, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Those ingredients are vitamin A, retinol, which is great for moisturizing and anti-aging. Vitamin D, calciferol, which is great for healing dry cuticles. Vitamin E, tocopherol, prevents yellowing, and B complex is there to heal, restore, and keep those cuticles hydrated. A few other cool ingredients are coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, shea butter, jojoba seed oil, mandarin orange peel oil, bergamot, and these last two, clove leaf oil and jasmine, give it an incredible fragrance. Directions: use in the evening before bedtime. Gently massage the cuticle balm into the cuticles and the nail plate, and your nails are going to be in great shape. If you want to follow up with Emma Beauty Triple Treat Intensive Moisturizing Treatment for that deep healing hydration. If you've got problem dry cuticles, wear ecotherapy hand gloves while sleeping at night. Intensive Rejuvenating Cuticle Balm. And remember, Emma Beauty, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Thanks for joining me.